Hey guys, it's Gaia, what's up, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be telling you all the clothes you need to pack when you are going to university. I will be talking about not only lecture outfits, but also nightlife, fancy dress, formal, you name it. So stick around. If you would like me to do a massive university clothes haul or a video on university lecture outfits inspiration, let me know down in the comments. If you do find this video helpful, please give it a massive thumbs up, and if you'd like more university advice and to join this cute little YouTube family we've got growing quite fast, may I add, feel free to click that subscribe button. I'd be more than happy to have you. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. So I'm going to break this video into several different categories today. So first one is lecture outfits. So even though online lectures might be a thing, I'm still going to talk about the clothes that you would normally need at university. I suggest packing things like tops, jeans, joggers, jumpers, skirts. It all depends though on your style, because I know a lot of people do like to rock up to campus in just baggy jumpers and joggers and all that stuff, whereas I like to wear like nice tops like this and skirts and that sort of stuff, because one, that's my fashion, and two, I prefer to leave the comfortable clothing for when I'm back at my student house just chilling. But again, it is your preference. A lot of people do wear a lot of different stuff when they come to university. Also, you need to remember to pack for the season, because UK seasons are very different. Make sure you pack coats, because UK winters can get very cold, but you only need like one or two, so don't bring your entire coat collection. Also pack like one or two light jackets, because the UK is known for having its like weather change like that. Like you'll go from rain to sun to snow, no joke. So you need to be prepared. Also make sure you pack comfortable walking shoes. You'll find most students wear like Air Maxes or like any other kind of trainer, or even boots when they're at university. Just make sure you are comfortable, okay? You don't want to be walking around in heels or flip-flops or just anything ridiculous, okay? So the next category we're moving on to is night out clothes and shoes. So obviously because of COVID-19, nightclubs aren't open at the moment, so nightlife as we know it probably won't be the same. So here are some nightlife clothes that I recommend, but bear in mind you'll most likely be wearing them for casual drinks out instead of in a club. So for guys, I recommend wearing shirts and jeans. A lot of guys also bring those like jumpers that they can just tie around their like shoulders in case it does get a bit chilly. So for you girls out there, you have a bit more variety on what you can wear on nights out. So you have the option of going out dresses, skirts, bodysuits, nice tops, jeans, even some flares, whatever your fashion is. Also for girls, you might want to pack a small bum bag or a small like over the shoulder body bag, just so you can like put your things in on a night out while keeping them still safe. I personally recommend a bum bag. Like literally they are a game changer, especially in clubs. Also for both genders, you want to make sure that you buy a jacket and some shoes that you don't mind getting ruined or stolen or lost on a night out, and because nights out can get very messy. There have been jackets and shoes that I've worn in the past that I've just been completely ruined because people have thrown drinks on them, or like I've left them on a chair and they've just like stepped on them. So do invest in like some cheap black shoes that you don't mind getting ruined, or like a jacket that's like still relatively cheap. Don't wear anything expensive on a night out because you will get it ruined, trust me. Make sure you also check the dress code for the clubs and bars that you attend, because some prefer that you wear like more casual things, some prefer more dressy things. So check the dress code, because otherwise if you aren't wearing the requirements you won't be let in. So next category is comfy clothes. These are clothes that you may want to wear around university, but also are clothes that you can easily wear when you're at home or just walking to the laundrette. So make sure you pack like some joggers, some baggy jumpers, hoodies, some sliders as well. They're like a massive thing at university. Most university students have them. If not though, any slippers or like comfortable like slip-on shoes are fine. At the end of the day, just pack anything that's like loose or ill-fitting. Also make sure you pack some warm fluffy stuff just for winter. These clothes might also be the stuff that you decide to pack for PJs as well, so you don't have to pack like a set of PJs and a set of comfy clothes. You might decide that the comfy clothes are your PJs and that you just sleep in them. So the next category is formal clothes. Again, formal events might be slightly different this year because of COVID-19, but normally at university you will find the SU or societies will throw formal balls or fancy events events where you can just get all dolled up and Prosecco drunk. So for guys, I recommend you pack a suit, maybe like 1 or 2 shirts, and then several ties, just so you have like the different options in case there are like, you know, several balls during the year. For girls, I'd pack 1 or 2 nice dresses and then like 1 or 2 sets of heels. I recommend packing like a set of black heels though, just because black goes with like any outfit. So the last category I'm going to talk about today is fancy dress clothes. You might want to bring some fancy dress clothes for Freshers Week, or for if you do any really fun society bar crawls. Either way, there will be an opportunity for you to dress up in fancy dress at university. Despite that though, I do advise buying the fancy dress stuff when you get to university, because 1, you don't know who you're going with, and 2, you don't even know what events you might end up going to. Like, it might look really cool, like all advertised on the website, and you'd be like, oh my god, I definitely want to go try that army themed event. But then when you get to the university, you might realise, nah, that's not really for me, I'm just gonna have a night in or something. So my advice is don't waste money buying loads of outfits that you potentially won't wear. I say this because I have so many like fancy dress outfits that I bought before Freshers and during Freshers 2 years ago, and I still haven't even like properly worn them. So be careful on like what you buy before you get to university, and even during university, because you don't want to waste money on things that you might not ever wear because they're such a specific item of clothing. So there you have it. Those are all clothes that I suggest packing for university. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this helped. Hopefully, if you had any worries or queries about what to pack for university, this video has now answered your questions. If it did, please give it a massive thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. By doing so, it really helps tell me whether my advice is helping you guys. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!